Hey there, ever wondered about the versatility and significance of mint? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of this aromatic herb. Mint, a member of the Lamiaceae family, is known for its refreshing flavor and aromatic leaves containing menthol, which gives it a cooling sensation. It's a versatile herb with a rich history, native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, and now cultivated worldwide. Culturally, mint holds significance in culinary, medicinal, and symbolic realms. It's a popular ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes, used for centuries to aid digestion, relieve headaches, and soothe sore muscles. Mint also carries symbolic meanings in different cultures, associated with hospitality, wisdom, virtue, and even funeral rites. In addition to its traditional uses, mint has found its way into various products like toothpaste, chewing gum, and cosmetics, due to its refreshing aroma and potential health benefits. From culinary delights to medicinal properties and symbolic meanings, mint's widespread popularity and versatility make it a beloved herb with a diverse array of applications.